Okay, so today I will be shooting my Daisy Powerline 880 dual ammo BB and pellet gun, and I've attached this GoPro camera to it, and you can see how I will be shooting, and you'll see if I blow up the target, and we'll be shooting water balloons that I've just filled them with air, and yeah, so we'll see how that goes. It's got the basic scope on it. I'll be using pellets, non-pointed pellets, and yeah, so let's see how that works.
Good. Go.
Okay, and that is how I shot multiple targets with my Daisy Powerline 880 BB gun, dual ammo pellet rifle, .177 caliber pellets. Same with BBs, and have the GoPro attached to the barrel. And yeah, so thanks for watching. And if you do ever plan on hooking up a GoPro or some sort of camera like this, I have it tilted to the left of the scope a little bit, to show that it will not affect your sight. So yeah, thanks for watching.